Good morning, dear. Now today we are going to start a new topic, and it is our last topic of this chapter, chapter 1, resources. In this topic, dear, we will discuss about sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development means using natural resources in such manner without wasting. Wastage should be minimized and we should be conserve such resources for future needs. And few principles are given in sustainable development, and that is known as the sustainable development. I am repeating again, sustainable development, we should be carefully use the natural resources in present, and we also save resources for future generation, and balance use of resources. Balance, suppose when we are not using fan inside the room, so we must be switch off the fan, switch off the tube light. When we switch off the light, you know, inside the kitchen, and gas when we are not using. So like these are the trick and technique to save the resources. And today's saving is utilized by our future generation. That is sustainable development. In this respect, these are the principles given of the sustainable development. And first principle, respect and care of all forms of a life. You know, we must be caretaker about the all forms of life, no matter living or whatever. We must be take care about it. We must be take care about that. Never wasted the such resources, and change personal attitude and practice towards the environment. Many times, whatever our attitude, we must be change the attitude. When we are moving, don't throw the papers like wastage on road or like this. That is change our attitude towards the environment, because we can't survive without environment. Environment play an important role for us, and it also maintain the balance between, you know, plant and human beings. Plant release the oxygen, and we use oxygen and release CO2, again CO2 used by plant. So this is the cycle, and through the pollution, through deforestation, we are disturbing this cycle. We are disturbing our environment, and it is not good for us. So dear, practice towards the environment, protect the environment by celebrating the different activities through the plantation, by celebrating the One Mahotsav, through the painting. Some competition or debates should be held on the environment. These are the way to create awareness among the children. Third point, conserve the earth vitality and diversity. You know, our earth has the different diversity, different type of land structures, vegetations are found in different area. We must be take care about it. We must be conserve such diversities. If they may be exhausted, it never we can maybe save that in for futures. We must be take care about it. Minimize the degradation of natural resources, wastage of water. We must be take care about it. Minimize the depletion. Depletion means when a value of any resources may be decreased. Suppose we are polluting the water, so if we are living the or maybe the polluting the water, so quality of water may be decreased. That is known as the depletion. Depletion of natural resources. So minimize the wastage. Minimize, don't leave the such industries wastage, garbage, fertilizers inside rivers. Improve the quality of human life. How to we can improve the quality of human life? By increasing the life expectancy rate and pollution free environment. In this way, enable communities to care for their own environment. There are such community where they must be take care about their own environment. Suppose we are living in that area, so we must be take care about our environment. Plantation should be. We must be protect the plant. We must be protect the wildlife because this plays the important role. We must be take care about the resources. We minimum pollution should be like. So these are the principles given in sustainable development day. So now we have completed the chapter, and along with the sustainable development, I am sharing the NCERT solution. And later on, if you have any doubt, you may be discuss on that. And again, I am recalling what are the main points we have discussed in this chapter. Okay, dear. Now we have completed chapter 1, resources. Now I am summary of the chapter. What different topics we have discussed in this chapter. First, here we have discussed about the resources and what are the resources. Those have economical value. Some resources doesn't have economical value, like a forest and waterfalls, like this doesn't have economical value. And later on we have discussed about in classification of resources. So natural resources are classified on the basis of level of development, on the basis of stock, on the basis of origin, and on the basis of distribution. This classification on the basis of level of development are actual and potential resources. On the basis of stock, renewable and non-renewable resources. On the basis of origin, biotic, abiotic resources. And on the basis of distribution, localized, ubiquitous resources. Those are found everywhere, like air, ubiquitous, light. After that, we have discussed human-made resources. Those resources made by the humans with the help of technology, skill. Later on, we have discussed about the human resources are important for a nation, and human resources are depend on their quality. It doesn't matter what size are living inside the nation. Suppose any one nation is largest populated, we can't consider it may be the developed nation. It depends on quality of their resources. What category, what quality of human resources are living in a nation. They are educated, they are technical, they are healthy, they are literate, whatever. Okay. So these are the points. And after that we have discussed that all three resources are important for us. It plays the important role in our life. So we must be take care about it. We must be conserve the resources. Our next topic we have discussed conservation of resources. And in which manner we can conserve the resources. At the last we have discussed sustainable development. And there are 5 to 6 principles of sustainable development. We must be take care about the environment. We must be respect the all form of life. Depletion should be reduced by us of natural resources. Communities should be protect the own resources like this. So these are the principles of sustainable development. Now here we have completed chapter, and on Monday will be take class test. Be ready with the class test, and you will be write answer in your class test copy, in notes copy. After when you complete your test, you will be sent your PDF along with your name, class, on my personal number. Okay, dear. Have a good day. If you have any doubt, you may be share your queries on WhatsApp group. Thanks. Have a good day.